What's up guys, you're watching the Citro, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is CE-105771-1. An error has occurred. So that's a PS5 error, and I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the screen. So here we go to the update the application, check the update. If needs to update, you simply just update your application and you just try to update, but it's not going to happen. So you must check the storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage, and sometimes your system software is not updated. You are using older version. That's why, because some application needs to update the system software also up to date. They are not supporting to each other. So you must make a space, you update a system software and then try to update your application. And in the last, you just turn off your PlayStation 5 and there is a safe mode. You can get the rebuild database, player cache, reinstall system software, and that's when you do the rebuild database, your corrupted file will be deleted, your storage will be clean, and not your data will be deleted, just corrupted file will be deleted. So simply, that's how you can fix this kind of error. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. Catch you later.